Shalom and welcome guys, and we're continuing to learn about the verb likro. And now we're going to learn how the verb likro works together with the le preposition. So together with the le preposition, the verb likro becomes the verb to call someone. And once again, I remind you, this is not the verb that we use when we're calling someone by Skype or by phone. It is the verb to call someone physically. So like, I'm calling your name, come here. So I'm calling someone for him to pay attention to me. Because the verb to call by phone or by Skype or by any means of technology or communication is lehikare. This verb will be covered in the next lessons. But right now, to call means either to call someone by name, so come here, I'm calling you, or somebody's calling you, you need to come. Or it is used when we're asking someone in a more casual situation, איך קוראים לך, which is what's your name. So first of all, let's learn the inflection of le preposition. So to me is li. To you, masculine singular, is lecha. Lecha. To you, feminine singular, is lach. Lach. And now let's work with those three. So once again, you're going to see a sentence in English in front of you, pause the video, say it out loud in Hebrew, and then play the video and see if you got it right. Did you call me? קראת לי? No, I didn't call you. לא קראתי לך. Did you call me? קראת לי? Yes, I called you. כן, קראתי לך. Has anyone called me? מישהו קרא לי? Yes, Avi called you. כן, אבי קרא לך. Has anyone called me? מישהי קראה לי? Yes, סיוון called you. כן, סיוון קראה לך. Did you guys call me? קראתם לי? No, we didn't call you. לא קראנו לך. Did you girls call me? קראתן לי? No, we didn't call you. לא קראנו לך. Next inflection, to him, is לא. לא. To her, לה. לה. Did you guys call יוסי? קראתם ליוסי? No, we didn't call him. לא קראנו לו. Did you girls call סיוון? קראתן לסיוון? No, we didn't call her. לא קראנו לה. Next inflection, to us. לנו. To you, masculine plural. לכם. לכם. To you, feminine plural. לכן. לכן. Were we called? קראו לנו. So here notice that we're using the masculine plural third person form of past tense. הם קראו. So here we don't use the personal pronoun because we can use this conjugation as a form of passive in Hebrew. קראו לנו, it means were we called. So literally it means did they call us without the word they being in the sentence. No, you weren't called. לא קראו לכם. Were we called? קראו לנו? No, you weren't called. לא קראו לכן. So now let's refresh our memories and see how do we conjugate the verb לקרוא in future tense. אני אקרא, אתה תקרא, את תקראי, הוא יקרא, היא תקרא, אנחנו נקרא, אתם תקראו, אתן תקראו, הם יקראו, הן יקראו. Next inflection, to them, masculine plural. להם. להם. To them, feminine plural. להן. להן. When will you call them? מתי תקרא להם? I will call them later. אקרא להם יותר מאוחר. When will you call them? מתי תקראי להן? I will call them later. אקרא להן יותר מאוחר. When will Avi call me? מתי אבי יקרא לי? Avi will call you in the evening. אבי יקרא לך בערב. What time will מיכל call me? באיזו שעה מיכל תקרא לי? מיכל will call you around 8 o'clock. מיכל תקרא לך בסביבות השעה 8. When will you guys call us? מתי תקראו לנו? We will call you guys when we will be ready. נקרא לכם כשנהיה מוכנים. When will Michal and Avi call them? מתי מיכל ואבי יקראו להם? They will call them later. הם יקראו להם מאוחר יותר. Imperative. So as we remember, in imperative we have two options. The first one is to use second person future tense conjugation or simply use the imperative of the verb. So if we will use second person, גוף שני, we'll take the verb לקרוא and we'll take the personal pronoun אתה. We know that the conjugation of future tense is תקרא, את תקראי, אתם אתן תקראו. Let's remove the personal pronouns, תקרא, תקראי, תקראו, and we're left with imperative. So we can also use the imperative conjugation, which is used much more rarely. I would say we will use it in more formal situations. קרא, קראי, קראו. So let's see how do we conjugate the verb להיות in future tense. אני אהיה, אתה תהיה, את תהיי, הוא יהיה, היא תהיה, אנחנו נהיה, אתם תהיו, אתן תהיו, הם יהיו, הן יהיו. Some adjectives. מוכן, ready, מוכנה, מוכנים, מוכנות. מוכן, מוכנה, מוכנים, מוכנות. Call me when you will be ready. תקרא לי כשתהיה מוכן. Call me when you will be ready. תקראי לי כשתהיי מוכנה. Call us when you guys will be ready. תקראו לנו כשתהיו מוכנים. Call us when you girls will be ready. תקראו לנו כשתהיו מוכנות. Negative imperative. So we always remember that we need to use second person future tense, and the word lo becomes al to form a negative imperative statement. אל תקרא, don't call. אל תקראי, אל תקראו. אל תקרא to a man, אל תקראי to a woman, אל תקראו to a group of people. Another adjective, עסוק, busy, עסוקה, עסוקים, עסוקות. Don't call me, I'm busy. אל תקרא לי, אני עסוק. Don't call me, I'm busy. אל תקראי לי, אני עסוקה. Don't call us, we're busy. אל תקראו לנו, אנחנו עסוקים. Don't call us, we're busy. אל תקראו לנו, אנחנו עסוקות. So that's it for those parts, guys. We finished with the verb likro. We learned how do we use it in all tenses. We learned past tense, present tense, future tense, imperative, negative imperative. We learned how to use it in its passive form. We learned how to use it as the verb to read or as the verb to call. And I hope that this video covered everything you need to know about this verb, which is actually very useful. And if you enjoyed my video and if you found it educating, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Leitraut!